Evaluating a property to determine whether or not it is in a flood-prone area. Using Totality's Risk Meter product, a user can pull addresses to determine the 500 and the 100-year flood zone. Here, you'll see I can type in an address and select Search. This will drop a pin on the map, and then I'll have the option to run reports, but also to turn on the flood zone layers. Here you can see that while the property is not in the flood zone, you can see a 100 and a 500-year flood zone just to the west. If you want to run the actual report, you can download the PDF, but you can also see the flood zone determination, it is out, as well as community, panel number, panel date, as well as the map number.